It is possible in standard time to create custom fields for user-definable input and display those columns in views like this. This video will show how to rename the underlying database column name so that it can be used in calculations and scripts and reports. Now, this is an advanced video that only applies to those people who have created custom columns. I'm going to go to the View menu to get started, choose Columns, then click Custom Fields. And here you can see a few custom fields that I've created, and down below you see the column name in the database. Now that's a pretty ugly name, long name, that you get by default when you click the Add Field button. I want to rename that so that it has a more human readable name that I can use in scripts and calculations. So to do that, I'm going to start by clicking the column name button. This warning is telling me that all the other standard time clients must be closed before proceeding. That is because they will get an error when the database column name changes. I'll go ahead and click yes. This gives me a suggestion. I can go ahead and change that if I want, and go ahead and click OK. It was renamed successfully. It is again telling me that all the other clients must be closed and reopened, or they might get an error. And so now you see the new name down below. If I click on the other one, you see the ugly name that was there by default. And back to this one, you have a nice, beautiful name that can be used in SQL scripts or reporting. So, hope that helps.